In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders to signers in DocuSign, whether you're trying to get documents signed in a timely manner or managing multiple envelopes. Automating reminders can make your workflow much smoother. Follow along, and we'll set everything up together. First things first, make sure to log into your DocuSign account. You'll need to be on the main dashboard where you can access all your documents. It's essential to be logged in so that you can navigate through your ongoing tasks smoothly and have all the necessary tools at your disposal. Once you're logged in, you'll want to either begin creating a new envelope or locate an existing one that you're currently working on. If you're starting fresh, click on the option to create a new envelope and follow the usual process of uploading your documents and setting up recipients. For those editing an existing envelope, simply navigate to the envelope you wish to modify. As you set up or edit your envelope, you'll find the Advanced Options section. This area is packed with features that allow you to tailor how your documents are sent and managed. Look for the settings related to reminders and expirations. This is where you'll customize the Automatic Reminders feature. Now, it's time to enable the automatic reminder settings. Go ahead and turn on the option to send automatic reminders. This feature is crucial as it gives your recipients those gentle nudges they might need if they haven't yet taken action on your document. Next, you'll need to specify the timing of these reminders. Start with the first reminder. Here, you'll enter the number of days after the envelope has been sent when the first reminder should go out. By setting this up, you're ensuring that even if someone overlooks the initial email, they'll be prompted after your specified time frame. For subsequent reminders, set the frequency in days. This determines how often additional reminders are sent following the first one. It's a handy way to make sure your document keeps coming back to the top of their inbox, keeping the signing process on their radar without overwhelming them with too many notifications. Finally, there's the option to set an expiration date for your envelope. While this step is optional, it can be beneficial if there are strict deadlines involved. If you choose to set an expiration, your envelope will become void after the date you specify, subtly communicating the importance and urgency of completing the task. And there we have it. By setting up these automatic reminders in DocuSign, you're streamlining your document management and ensuring that signer engagement is as seamless as possible. Whether it's your first time handling digital documents or you're a seasoned pro, these steps will help you keep everything on track. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.